Hi, this is my first 3D printing video. I'm gonna talk about some useful prints I made, some parts I fixed, and stuff that has helped me that didn't take that long for me to print and also made life convenient because people think 3D printers can only make useless stuff, but it's actually been pretty useful to me. So I'll show you 2 things that I made so far that have been useful. The first thing I fixed was this Atari controller that broke. Before it broke off, but I printed a new one and I've been playing with it and it was very fun. The next thing I made was, I actually 3D modeled this myself because I couldn't find anything on the internet. But so what it is I got all these keychains. I got this collection, 6 keychains, and I didn't want to put them all on here. So what I did was I printed this clip and you attach it to here, and then you can just push that and you can easily put the keychain on and off. I can't really do this while holding the camera, so I'm gonna stick in between my chin and my neck and see if that works. Okay, so you press it, take it out. And then you push it and stick it back in. And it's really easy, and I don't have to hurt my thumbs. So yeah, it saves my thumbs from hurting and cutting my nails, because that'd suck. But this was just, all I had to do was attach this piece on, and then these just slipped right on. I didn't have to hurt my hands. And if I get more keychains, this thing will be able to fit a lot. So, there are my 2 useful prints I've done so far. I'll probably do some more in the future. And also, let me know if you like this type of video. Because I don't really want to do the gaming anymore. It's pretty stupid. But I'll do these videos if you guys will watch them. So, like and subscribe. Tell me what you thought. Do you want to see some more? And I'll see you in the next video.